If Cursor is giving you an error while fetching extensions, don't worry, this is usually a networking issue and it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Cursor error while fetching extensions, step by step, so you can get back to installing your tools and working without interruptions. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is Cursor's HTTP compatibility mode. This is especially important if you're behind a corporate proxy, a VPN, or any network that may block the default connection Cursor uses. To start, open Cursor and look in the top right corner for the gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the settings area. Once you're in settings, find the network section and click on it. Inside the network settings, look for HTTP compatibility mode. By default, this may be set to HTTP 2, but in many cases, that can cause problems when Cursor tries to connect and fetch extensions. Change the setting from HTTP 2 to HTTP 1. This switch can make Cursors communicate more reliably with the extension marketplace, especially on restricted networks. After you change that setting, restart Cursor completely. Don't just close the window and leave it running in the background. Make sure it fully closes, then reopen the app and check the marketplace again. In many cases, this alone is enough to solve the problem and get your extensions loading properly. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is turn off your VPN and proxy. VPNs and proxy services can interfere with the connection Cursor needs to reach Microsoft servers and extension services. If you have a VPN running, disconnect it temporarily and try again. If your system or browser is configured with a proxy, disable that as well for testing purposes. Then go back into Cursor and see whether the marketplace loads correctly. If the error still hasn't gone away, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. Sometimes a corrupted or outdated DNS cache can prevent Cursor from connecting to the right servers, even if your internet is working normally. To do this, first close Cursors completely. Then, on Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD and open Command Prompt. Once the Command Prompt window is open, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. This clears out old network data and can often fix connection problems that affect extension downloads. After that, restart your PC. This is important because it helps your system apply the network changes cleanly. Once your computer starts back up, open Cursor again and try fetching extensions one more time. In many cases, after changing HTTP compatibility mode, disabling VPN or proxy, and flushing DNS, the issue is fully resolved. If Cursor is still not working after all of that, double-check your network environment and make sure no security software, firewall rule, or enterprise setting is blocking access. But in most situations, one of these three fixes will solve the extension fetching error. So to quickly recap, change HTTP compatibility mode to HTTP 1.1, turn off any VPN or proxy, flush your DNS cache, restart your PC, and then reopen Cursor. That should give Cursor a much better chance of connecting properly and loading extensions without errors. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.